In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the 12-volt battery on a Toyota Prius. This battery powers the electronics and helps start the hybrid system, so if your Prius won't start or the lights are acting weird, it might be time to replace it. First, make sure the car is turned off and parked safely. Open the rear hatch, lift the floor panel, and remove the side cover near the right rear wheel well. That's where the 12-volt battery is located. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first to avoid any sparks, then the positive terminal. Remove any brackets or hold down clamps securing the battery. Carefully lift out the old battery. It's a bit heavy, and place the new one in the same position. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Secure the battery with the clamp, put the cover back on, and you're good to go. Start the car to make sure everything's working fine. If this video helped you change your Prius battery, please like and subscribe for more practical car guides. Thanks for watching.